Oh my gosh. It's just a rug. Look at the cat. She knows. It's not a real hole, silly. See? Look at her. Totally fine. It's just a rug. You're okay. See? Look at her. She knows. It's okay, buddy. It's just a rug. Go on. See, don't be scared. Wait, you figured it out first.